There's no bigger challenge in learning and development at the moment than AI. The idea of what L&D has been for the last 2 decades is gone.
So today you're going to hear from experts and pioneers who've already ventured forward.
It's a real thrill to be here today and the first ever AI Learning Live event.
How can we harness the power of AI to skill our employees?
We are learning all about AI in the learning industry, and it's been pretty fascinating. I think there have been lots of hot topics.
I think we're innovating faster than we have in the past, particularly in the learning space.
Hands up if you say please or thank you when you're talking to ChatGPT. Hands up if you've given it a pet name.
A lot of the innovation comes from the vendors that are here behind me.
I really believe that this is L&D's moment.
So you've got some amazing startup companies literally exhibiting next to the biggest company in the world here. It's just amazing.
There are so many tools out there for us to use.
This is your opportunity to actually test yourself and grow yourself.
And today I'll share some of the lessons learned, some of the strategies that work well for us.
It's a really good resource for people to learn as a learning professional.
It's not just an event in isolation. We're creating real learning tools that will happen tomorrow and after that, and continuously to support the profession that we genuinely love.
We're not just teaching them to sell AI, but we're teaching them how to use AI and learn through AI.
I think it's a really great place to share knowledge, to hear what else is out there in the industry, and I've definitely learned a lot from different people.
We're often accused in learning and development of being rooted in old practices. Today proves that we're not. We're really kind of experimental, we're modern. I would argue who better to do it than the LPI, and you've got some of the best companies in the world here and world-leading experts. We're doing this for the profession, so why not be here? It may well just protect your job, it may well revitalize learning, and it also might make your company more profitable. So, see you here next year.